Welcome to homework.
For the first scenario, the condition estimated to exist in 65% of all patients. So given the probability of false positive, so this is the probability that you test positive given no condition, and that's 20% or 0.20. The probability that the test is negative and there is a condition is 10% or 0.10. The probability of the condition existing in the population is 65% or 0.65. So we need to find the probability that a patient has the condition given that the test result is positive. And this would be equal to the probability that the test is positive given they have the condition times the probability of having the condition over the probability of a positive test. And so the probability of having a positive test given that it was conditioned would be 1 minus 0.1, which is 0.9. The probability of having the condition is 0.65. And the probability of being positive, which we'll need to calculate that. This is going to be the total probability of a positive test result. And we can use the law of total probability to find it. That would be the probability of a positive given you have the condition times the probability of the condition plus the probability of being positive given there's no condition times the probability of no condition. All right, and so this would be .90 times 0.65 plus 0.20 times the probability of no condition would be 1 minus 0.65 or 0.35. And this equals 0.655 and so now this calculates to 0.8931. Now for scenario 2, the condition is rare, so the probability that you have a condition is 0.3. So now the probability of a positive test given no condition is 0.2. The probability of a negative test given you have the condition is 0.10. And the probability of the condition existing in the population is 30%. Using similar calculations as the first scenario, the probability that you have the condition given that it's positive test would be 0.90 times now 0.30 over the probability of positive will now calculate to 0.41. That's coming from changing these to 0.3 instead of, this would be 0.3 and this would now be 0.7, and that calculates to 0.41. And so 0.9 times 0.3 over 0.41 is 0.658.